My name is Cody Alvarez, and I am the Family and Community Engagement Manager. Teen to Work is a 5-week residential program where high school students with visual impairments live in dorms on the Arizona State University West Campus. During that time, they're receiving all kinds of different instruction and training in blindness skills areas, as well as learning how to get a job. Teen to Work is for blind and visually impaired students in high school that have registered with the State Vocational Rehabilitation Program. We offer different opportunities for work experience in various FBC departments, such as our Media Center, where students can help work on Braille and large print production, our IT department, where they can help service laptops and meet any of the needs of our employees, as well as our marketing department in interning and working on social media. When they are meeting with the State Vocational Rehabilitation Program in order to register for this program, they create an IPE, which is an individualized plan for employment. So that is them just deciding their first time what they might be interested in learning more about for their future career. And we try to place them in a work experience where they might get just a little bit of a taste of that career. And we also provide informational interviews, which is with somebody who is in that career field, that they can find out a little bit more about it. FBC's Teen to Work program is unique in the sense that we only accept 12 students in the program. As I said, the job readiness, there is group instruction at the very beginning of the program, but we also provide individualized instruction in the areas of assistive technology, orientation mobility, daily living skills, all of those type of skill areas where not everybody is at the same level, and we're really able to tailor it to where they're at and where they want to go.
I have 2400, which means that somebody with 20/20 vision or normal vision can see 400 feet away. I can see 20 feet away. I'm Caitlin, I'm 15, and I have Leber's congenital amaurosis, and I did Teen to Work this summer. I wanted to join Teen to Work just for the independence that I knew it would give me. The skills that we learn in Teen to Work are unlike anything I could have learned anywhere else. They're really useful skills that I use every day in my everyday life now.
On the evenings and weekends, we provide a lot of recreational opportunities. We push our students really hard during the week, and then we also are able to reward them handsomely by doing different activities like indoor skydiving, going horseback riding, camping at a place called Bumblebee Ranch. We go to an escape room. This last year we got to go to California to Six Flags, and so many more opportunities. We also work out at the Sun Devil Fitness Complex and are able to participate in things like yoga and meditation.
If you're planning or if you're wanting to join the Teen to Work program, I say just go for it, because the skills that you'll learn at this program are unlike skills that you can learn anywhere else, and they really do move in and read into your everyday life. Also, the people that you spend the summer with could be people that you'll potentially make lifelong friendships with. It's also really amazing to be in a community full of people just like us who are visually impaired. It's really important, in my opinion, to be around people that you can relate with, and this program really helps you do that.